heading out to the waterfalls, some crazy little location in the back of the island that this cave jumper found.
The waterfall, see?
Oh, we're going to the 7 wells after one of the craziest little hikes and jogs up this mountain. We've come to Long, and they want us to make sure they know if you die while jumping in these waterfalls, you're done.
My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the wave. Wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting.
Was the craziest thing. I literally almost died, but Jay saved me. It's the most fierest, craziest, like wildest river running cliff I've ever seen in my life.
See the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting.